Imagine a day without screens, notifications, or digital clutter. What might feel like a dream was my reality for a week. Today, we explore the transformative power of a digital detox. Welcome to Tech-Aware Psychology. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your digital devices, stick around as we uncover the benefits of disconnecting and how you can embark on your own digital detox journey. Too much screen time can lead to stress, anxiety, and disrupt your sleep. It blurs boundaries between work and personal life, making it hard to switch off. When I unplugged, I felt the constant urge to check my phone. But as I engaged more with the world around me, I felt less anxious and more alive. I reconnected with my old hobbies and found peace away from the buzz of notifications. Unplugging can significantly improve your mental health, enhance your sleep quality, boost your focus, and strengthen personal relationships. Starting your digital detox can be as simple as not checking your phone for the first hour after you wake up, or as challenging as a full week off. Find activities that you enjoy and immerse yourself in the physical world. Here are some examples of a step-by-step guide and checklist for planning digital detox. Step 1. Define detox goals. Screen-free mornings. Begin each day without immediately reaching for your phone or computer. Instead, engage in a morning routine that doesn't involve digital devices, such as meditation, journaling, or enjoying a leisurely breakfast without screens. Designated tech-free zones. Create specific areas in your home where digital devices are off-limits, such as the dining table, bedroom, or relaxation space. Establishing these boundaries can promote more meaningful interactions and relaxation without constant digital distractions. Scheduled social media breaks. Allocate specific times during the day for checking and engaging with social media, and commit to staying offline during the rest of the day. Limiting social media usage can help reduce mindless scrolling and promote more intentional use of digital platforms. Offline hobby pursuits. Dedicate time each day or week to pursuing activities that don't involve screens, such as reading physical books, painting, gardening, or engaging in outdoor sports. Investing energy into offline hobbies can foster creativity, reduce stress, and provide a welcome break from digital stimulation. Digital sunset ritual. Implement a digital sunset ritual in the evenings, where you gradually wind down digital usage as the day comes to a close. This could involve setting a specific time to power down devices, engaging in relaxation techniques like yoga or mindfulness meditation, and disconnecting from screens at least an hour before bedtime to promote better sleep hygiene. Step 2. Choose the duration of your detox. Take a weekend retreat, unplugging from digital devices for an entire weekend, from Friday evening until Sunday evening. Use this time to immerse yourself in offline activities, connect with nature, spend quality time with loved ones, and recharge your mind and body without the distractions of screens. 1 week reset. Commit to a 1-week digital detox, where you refrain from using digital devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers for 7 consecutive days. Use this extended break to reconnect with yourself, engage in offline hobbies, pursue personal goals, and cultivate mindfulness in everyday activities. Month-long sabbatical, embarking on a month-long digital detox journey, disconnecting from digital devices and online platforms for a full 30 days. During this time, focus on deepening relationships, exploring new interests, prioritizing self-care, and reflecting on your relationship with technology. This more extensive detox period allows for profound introspection and a reset of digital habits. Other detoxing methods might include setting up automatic responses for calls and messages, deciding which digital activities to eliminate, planning and prepare for alternative activities, organizing a daily schedule, and reflecting on the detox experience by journaling. This guide and checklist can be adapted to personal preferences and specific needs, making your digital detox as effective as possible. Are you ready to challenge yourself to a digital detox? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below, and let's discuss how we can reclaim our time from digital domination. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental health and well-being. Take care, and until next time, be kind to yourself.